Hello, hello. So the teacher trainers here, and as you can see, we are ready to shoot another super cool video. And today we are just going to prank Warren a little bit. And I have edited the script so that when he reads the script as he records, he starts saying things that he didn't know they were there. I think it might be quite fun. Here we are, guys. We're about to shoot a new video called
Activity
Wow, I already
Warz.
forgot. Someone has not read the script.
Basically, the idea is to create a fun, practical ESL speaking activity, which you who is watching.
He does not prepare the script. We have one of our super editors here,
Hello.
Mr. Andy. He's the one who's made this super awesome, incredible Hollywood setup, as you can see. What are you doing? Eh? Are you writing the script in the last minute?
No.
Is that what? Oh, someone is not ready. Someone's not prepared.
Tried out these new chairs.
Huh?
Tried out the new chairs.
What new chairs?
New ones. Glass ones.
Chairs?
Glass chairs.
Sometimes he gets stressed and he doesn't know what he's talking about, so just the best thing is to say, yes, Warren, you're correct. Yes, Warren, the glass chairs.
You tried the glass chairs, Andy?
I just want to show you guys the most DIY tripod in the history of shooting. If you thought that you've seen it all, here, this thing here is holding a $300 camera, and this is attached to that. Now, how is this actually holding up? I've got absolutely no idea. Hi, my name is Adrian Rogers.
Hi, my name is Warren.
And
we are the teacher trainers.
Ready, rolling in 3, 2, 1. So today we're going to try a new game called Activity Warz. As teacher trainers, we need to be creative and constantly come up with new activities so that we can present them to our trainees in the teacher class and not always do the same activities over and over and over.
Whoa, basically, the idea is to create a fun, practical ESL speaking activity which you who are home can try it in your class. Full disclosure, I look awful today and this is ridiculous because the sausage that Adrian has written here needs to be great! Bastard. What happened to April? That would have been, if we hadn't have practiced so much, I would have kept going there.
I look awful today, and this is ridiculous.